Welcome to this ASP.NET Core Smart Data Extractor tutorial. This control is a high-performance C# library designed to extract structured data from PDFs and images, including text elements, tables, form fields, headers, footers, and images. The key features of the Smart Data Extractor include document structure extraction, multiple file formats, table extraction, form recognition, page-level control, confidence-based filtering, and deterministic performance. In this video, I will show you how to get started with the Syncfusion ASP.NET Core Smart Data Extractor. You will learn how to create a web app, install the Smart Data Extractor package, and extract data as JSON. The prerequisites for this tutorial are Visual Studio 2022 or later, and .NET 9.0 SDK or later. Now, let me show you how to create an ASP.NET Core web app in Visual Studio. I open Visual Studio and select Create a New Project from the dashboard. From the list of templates, I choose ASP.NET Core Web MVC and click Next. Then, I enter the project name and click Next again. I proceed with the default configuration and click Create to generate the application. Next is installing the Smart Data Extractor in the application. I open the NuGet Package Manager and switch to the Browse tab. I search for the Syncfusion Smart Data Extractor .NET Core package. Select it. Click Install and choose Apply to add it to the solution. Then, I accept the license agreement and the package is successfully installed. To avoid the license validation message in the output, I open the program.cs file and register the Syncfusion license key using the register license method. To find out where to generate the license key, please refer to the link in the description below. This is the input document I will use in this example to extract data as JSON. Now, I'll show you how to extract the data by clicking this button. First, I open the index.cs.html file, remove the existing code, and add a button to trigger the JSON extraction. To handle the button click, I navigate to the home controller CS file and import the required namespace. Then, define an action method with the return type iActionResult. Inside this method, I create a file stream to read the input PDF. I provide the file path, set the mode to File Mode Open, and specify File Access Read to load the document. Next, I create a data extractor instance and configure its properties. I set Enable Form Detection to True so that the extractor can identify form elements in the document. I set Enable Table Detection to True, which enables the detection of table structures. I also set the confidence threshold to 0.6, which helps filter low confidence or inaccurate detections. I extract the data by calling the extract data as JSON method and passing the file stream. Then, convert this JSON string into a byte array. Finally, I return the file for download by passing the stream, content type, and file name. Now, I save and run the application. When I click the button, the file is downloaded. As you can see, the data from the input document has been successfully extracted as JSON. The JSON output includes the document's text content, table data, footer section, and form fields. That's all for the video on getting started with the Syncfusion ASP.NET Core Smart Data Extractor. You can download this video's working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link to check if you qualify for a free community license to access all our Document SDK products. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.